can't even really see it.
I know, but it's like rain in October.
Yeah, there's no accidents.
No, I'm like, no. I seriously